Will AI advancements help combat gender-based discrimination from algorithmic bias? Imagine a world where technology helps create fairness instead of deepening inequalities. That's the promise of artificial intelligence in fighting gender-based discrimination. But will it really make a difference? Let's explore how AI can be both part of the problem and part of the solution. First, it's important to understand what algorithmic bias is. When AI systems are trained on historical data, they can pick up and repeat existing stereotypes. For example, AI used in hiring might favor men because past data shows men were hired more often. This happens because the data reflects societal biases, not fairness. Sometimes, AI even unintentionally downgrades women or associates them with traditional roles, which can reinforce harmful stereotypes. These biases come from limited or skewed data sets and the unconscious biases of the people who create these systems. However, AI can also be used to fight discrimination if designed carefully. Developers are working on creating unbiased datasets that better representing women's experiences. They are also making algorithms more transparent so we can see how decisions are made. Regular checks on AI outputs help catch and correct biased patterns early. Open-source AI models are especially helpful because they allow many people to review and improve them, making it easier to spot and fix gender biases. From a women's culture and heritage point of view, biased AI can reinforce harmful stereotypes. For example, generative AI might produce content that links women only with beauty or caregiving, ignoring their skills and achievements. This can limit women's opportunities and keep traditional roles alive. But AI also offers tools to address these issues. For instance, AI can detect and remove harmful online content like non-consensual images or harassment, which mostly affects women. It can support survivors of gender-based violence through chatbots and help analyze patterns of bias in hiring, healthcare, and legal systems. These insights can guide policies to reduce inequalities. Legal rules are also important. Laws that prohibit discrimination and requiring transparency help hold AI creators accountable. But current regulations often lack specific rules for assessing gender bias in AI systems. That's why ongoing oversight and impact assessments are needed to make sure AI benefits everyone equally. In the end, AI has the potential to help fight gender-based discrimination if it's developed with care. Combining ethical design, diverse data, continuous monitoring, and strong legal protections can make AI a tool for fairness. Without these steps, AI risks continuing to deepen gender inequalities, which goes against respecting women's culture and heritage. So, the future depends on how we choose to shape these powerful technologies.